All right, so here we are at VeriForm. You can see one of our Demeller tables. Our Demeller tables here allow us to make weldments that you otherwise would need a fixture for. But here we can set up a fixture quite quickly. So this tubing here, you can see this ducting is quite unique in terms of the flow. And what we're able to do is set up the fixture so the height is reproducible, it's consistent, and the location of the diagonal arms are consistent. And then the final piece here as well. So everything is set up and reproducible, and Kevin here has been welding a whole bunch of these for the last 2 days, and every single one is the same. Here, over here, you'll see another system here. This ducting here was made on this table, and all the intricacy that you see in the shape wouldn't be possible if we didn't have these tables here, and that's what you can expect as a customer at VeriForm. You can expect ducting that's consistent, and whether it's ducting or trailer parts, here we'll show you trailer parts. Here we've set up a trailer part, and all the fixturing is here on the table, and that's how it's done. You see the diagonals here? Same with the diagonals on here.